Well, looks like I only got 5 minutes of film left. Memory card. So, what I've done, it's been cold since I've got this thing apart, and I should have parked it with the engine facing the sun, but I didn't. So, anyhow, like I say, I got all these fuel lines in, got a filter just inside of that back left tire, driver's side. Got two spark plugs in. The gap is set to 0.026. They call for 0.024 up to 0.028. So I got them right in the middle there. Got a new cap on. Kept the old rotor, but I just cleaned her up. Got the points in there and got them set to a gap of 0.016. Gonna get these two spark plugs in and these two wires, and then gonna do the tranny fluid today. You'll catch that later. Have realized a couple things here is kind of interesting. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and it spins like this. So 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. The cylinders are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it hits like 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. Does the figure 8. Rodin's vortex. Anywho. It is a pain in the ass to get these spark plugs on, but I do have a couple questions here. I'm not sure. Oh, look, I got this tag on here and I just looked it up. Yeah, this is the original carburetor. That's cool. And then this little, I'm pretty sure this is a vacuum advance for this guy. So when you hit the gas, it pulls it forward to match the spark and the piston top dead center or whatever it would be. Piston apex. But it's not hooked to anything. It's not on any of the original or any of the videos I can find on YouTube or any of the original diagrams and stuff like that. Sometimes it's attached to here to a later distributor, but there's not even any openings on it. There's no valves, there's no nothing, there's no wires. I can't figure that out. Y'all can help me, that'd be cool. And then I guess, look at, this is the choke. This must be the choke here. Well, yeah, I gotta take that off. But yeah, I'll show that at a different time. But that's really cool invention. And then this, I guess, is the how you adjust the air along with this. This is the idle, and these are the jets. Fuel mixture. But what's this one? 2, 1, 2. What the hell is this? And then, of course, look at this wiring I found. I'm surprised you made it home. Especially since they're rubbing on the exhaust and stuff. Way too much wire. You don't need that. Look. Oops. You need like half of this wire to reach that ignition coil. Anywho, so that's where we're at the moment. I'm going to keep all the old rotor, cap, plugs, wires, everything with me as a spare because they were good. Well, you know, good enough to get me home in case anything ever goes wrong. And then, of course, I'm going to have to try to find a source for the Bosch and the NGKs. Have to go into the big city in a couple days, and we'll check it. Anyways, that's the plan. We've got 2 minutes left, under 2 minutes. Anyhow, slowly getting it done. And, I'm going to just take these off. Okay. And then I'm going to start working on these guys here. Oh! These are dust covers so dirt doesn't get in there, but I can tell you they don't work very well. Well, perfectly anyways. Alright, well, let me get to work. Catch you in a few. Work on the car day. Just finished the exhaust on the old Camry, which is cool. I got some more parts in today. Got the carb rebuild kit. Got a bunch of gaskets in for the oil changing. Light. Some tin. I got some other pieces too. Excuse me. So back on the buggy, and as we can see, got the dash open. I put the bottom seat back in, and look, I got horsehair everywhere again. So took that out. And I figured out how to get the front seat. There's a little knob on that side that unlocks it. You can fold it down. And got the engine slightly cleaned up. Oh, lordy. Been degreasing it and scrubbing it slowly. Doing a bit more research, found out that the old H5 engines are probably not the most desirable because they have a tendency to get this number 3 cylinder hot. Just because of where the oil cooler is at inside the fan shroud. Now, that being said, this is a 71 body and chassis. They do match. So someone swapped out the engine back in the day because this body, the 71, came with a 1600. So this engine's from a 69 or a 68. So someone swapped it out for the bigger, better engine, which would explain a little bit of confusion. Now I am waiting on spark plug wires. This number 2 wire, I believe, is 38 inches long. And I couldn't find any that fit that, so I don't know what's going on there. So waiting on those, got the spark plugs in, got my temporary gasket, and this is what we're doing right now. Oh lordy, where's my brush? There you go. So here's my concern now, because the oil is up here on just this one side. This side's pretty good for as old as it is. This side's a little oily. And look, it's kind of right in the middle there. So perhaps, I think those are the juds and the heads. I think. Push rod tubes. Those run the lifters, I believe. The valves. Anyhow, so hopefully it's not some sort of a issue with the number 3 cylinder or the head. So anyways, I get my wire brush. This is the first day it's been above freezing in a while, at least at noontime. Oh yeah. Anyways, trying to clean this bad boy up so I can get this off. And look at all that nasties. Get the next step up to getting this bad boy started. I'm going to put some conventional oil in here and probably some seafoam and just kind of wash it out. Okay, so this is the single relief valve. I guess that's why they don't like this engine, because it's a single relief besides the number 3, which is just when it gets hot the oil expands, and this is like a pressure relief valve, this guy right here, internal. Anywho, oh yeah, let me just keep on getting that up and out. I need to find a good pressure washer. I need to get this running first. So that's the plan. I'm going to get that transmission fluid changed out. Get this changed out. And just waiting on spark plug wires. Hopefully they fit, and then we'll get this running and pressure wash it. And if it runs real good, then I'm going to pull the engine out, put a bunch of tin on it, clean it up real good, put her back in. That's the plan. Alright, be right back. Alright. Found the right one. I think this is just the drain. So you can change the oil without changing the... Oh man. I might need both hands for this. Oh, am I going the wrong way? I think I am. I was going the wrong way. It's always backwards. Oh! Hey! Thought I stripped it. Sweet. What an idiot. Wait. Look at this. It's going to be nasty here. Can you see? Who knows how long it's been. I should have done this before we drove home. Oh! That's blacker than black. Looks like some chunks coming out of there too. Doesn't smell very good.
Thanks so much for watching. If you want to check out another video from this channel, there's one right up here. I'll see you over there, or I'll see you guys later. Steve Poplar, the Poplar Report.
All right, let that baby drain. All right. These are all fairly loose, hey? Like a couple pounds. Yeah, those are like 2 pounds of pressure. Alright, we're gonna put this shit down here on the rag. I wonder if that's normal. If that's normal, let me know. Oh, it's too much. Too much lube. That one's a nut. It's really weird. Does that mean that they've been tapped in the past? Or is that how they came originally? This one's... Come on. Why don't you want to go on? That's a nut. Now look at... Weird. But look, this stud came way out. What you doing, Dizzle? Gonna have to go back in the footage and see if this stud reversed itself or what. Oh man, that could be trouble. Let's see if this thing pops off here. Don't splash. Oh, baby. Wow. That's some sludge, huh? Look at all that. Santo Dios. Oh, yeah. Hope there's a filter in there. Can't see. That's pretty bad. Why does that not look normal? And where's my gaskets? Is there no gaskets on here? Oh. The whole thing is the... Don't want to lose those. There we go. Come on. There we go. Please don't be real bad. Alright, so here's our one gasket. I thought there was supposed to be two. Oh, she ain't too bad. Come on. You can do it. Oh, God. There you go. I could probably save that gasket. Cool. Okay, well, that's that. Now, let it drain. I'm going to do some more cleanup. We'll put the new one on here. Let me clean up the screen, too. Alright, ouch. Knees are getting old. Have to clean that up pretty good. This don't look super bad. You can see a couple spots through there. Look at all that. Gross. It's going to be a lot happier, eh? Okay, well, perhaps the lack of two gaskets on there is what was causing all the oil. It's not a head problem. Alright, get back to you. Alrighty, let's take a look here. I got to get this footage off the camera, guys. I got some other things to do before even I can get out looking for gold again. But we're almost there. We're almost there. Besides, it's been cold, so I can't really do a whole lot of gold like mining. Look at that, huh? Much better. Look at that. Hey, hey, hey. Can you see that now? Whew, look at all that junk. Alright, so I'm going to definitely get some seafoam. And, just keep that in there. Seafoam, and I have some old oil. Actually, I might just use that conventional oil I got. It does not have zinc in it. I might just throw it in here, drain it, strain it, do that a few times with some seafoam and try to get the dregs out of this bad boy. They were pretty bad. Good thing it's not eating out anywhere. Seems to be rough right there. It could just be buildup. Oh well. I can't see. Can you guys see? Feels rough. That shouldn't matter. Inside doesn't feel divoted, it just feels a little rough on this edge here. Hope you guys can see this, because I can't see, and I'm hoping you're going to be my eyes. Just got oil on the camera. Lube. Okay, how's it look? Actually, where it was rough over here, it doesn't look bad. How's it look right there? All right. All right, well, that's it for now, guys. I gotta get this, like I say, this footage off the camera, make some space. And part 3 coming up. We'll get this baby running. And like I say, we're gonna see how she does, adjust the carb if we need to. I got a rebuild kit. Most likely it's going to have to be rebuilt, but we're just going to see how good we can do. Just drive it around for a day or two before it gets warm, and if everything's good, or even if it's not good, we'll know, and then drop the engine and we'll go from there. Alright, it's about 10 degrees and about 10 in the morning. Yeah, I was looking through the footage last night from yesterday. The oil, let's see if I can get in here. The oil change. And I was noticing some anomalies with the stud, which did pull out. It looks like it was. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah, it looks a little busted. Let's get that in. Well, we'll see if it still seals. That's probably where all the oil is coming from, I guess, maybe. Actually, I don't know. With the air going by here, you know, it could whip it anywhere. Okay, well, just wanted to double check that and see. Interesting. Alright. Cheers.